Take it up.
Take it up. All right. Not bad, Marko. We'll take it on up? Yeah.
All right, this is number 2. Take number 2 for the Corsair. From the No Nonsense Hobby Shop. Alright, this is the primary takeoff pilot. This is the secondary pilot.
You're lying. You're saying you wasn't a co-pilot with a Corsair.
Yes. I know I wouldn't turn left, but that's up. Alright, try to get them straight. Try.
And then get that puppy up in the air. That's it. Come on, come on. Keep it going, keep it going. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. That's it. Keep it going. That's it. It's airborne. Now, don't get it too high, otherwise you'll have a hard time seeing the... Oh. It's a warbird, baby. There's the pilot right there. Intense look. Just like he's in the hunt. He's just like in the hunt.
You're sick, dude.
That's yours plane. There it is. Alright, is the control okay?
That's okay. I was laughed at all my life. I've been laughed at all my life. It ain't no deal.
We have a lot of support.
Looking good, Marko.
Sure do. Hey Jackson!
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
I bet you I won't force my landing.
It may not land.
I flew. Yes.
All right, let's fly.
All right.
This will be a little speck. This will be a little speck on the TV.
Well, look at all the confidence you guys have given me, and all the support.
All right. Bring it to the left. If you got to land on the grass, it'll be fine. That's it, down. Yeah, it'll glide. Gliding good. That's it, gliding good. That's it, power. That's it. That's it. Level, level. That's it, that's it. That's it, that's it. Way to go! And he's down. All right. First warbird flight. First warbird flight.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You know why you can fly that?
All right.
But you got a 3.
Yeah.
All right.
Word.
There you go. It works.
Tear it up, no
Hey.
problem. Put it
Where's
in
in the trash can?
Throw is now okay. All right. Move on.
Big crash.